His Royal Highness the Crown Prince, Deputy Supreme Commander and First Deputy Prime Minister Prince Salman bin Hamad Al Khalifa inspected the new fleet of national carrier Gulf Air with the arrival of the first Boeing 787 aircraft within the new fleet at Sakhir Air Base. His Royal Highness was received by the Deputy Prime Minister Sheikh Khalid bin Abdullah Al Khalifa, a number of senior officials and Gulf Air board members. His Royal Highness affirmed the continuous support towards developing priority sectors that reinforce performance and economic return on the basis of sustainability and competitiveness, including the logistics sector, which represents an essential aspect in developing various related components, which are air transportation and civil aviation services, reinforced by the Bahrain International Airport Development Program. The Crown Prince noted the importance of strategic steps and initiatives that receive the support of His Majesty King Hamad bin Isa Al Khalifa. He added that upgrading the fleet of Gulf Air will increase its competitiveness on the regional and global levels and will implement the futuristic comprehensive vision of Gulf Air. His Royal Highness affirmed the importance of supporting the strategies that develop the performance of Gulf Air, particularly in light of the competitiveness of air transportation sector, to consolidate the status of the company in the civil aviation industry sector. The Crown Prince inspected a Boeing 787 Dreamliner and was briefed on the timeline of receiving the new airplanes, which include the addition of Boeing 787 Dreamliner and Airbus A330neo. 5 Boeing 787-9 Dreamliners will be added to the fleet by next year, which will support Gulf Air's development plans to fly to 50 different destinations. His Royal Highness was also briefed on the technical aspect of the Boeing 787. His Royal Highness congratulated the Gulf Air board members for the arrival of the company's first airplane with the plan to update the fleet of the national carrier. His Royal Highness expressed pride and appreciation of the Bahraini cadres of the company in implementing various programs and development plans. He expressed hope that the company will achieve more success in the light of these strategies, wishing the national carrier further success in the future.